All right, so it's March 17. Let's do a bad dad joke. So I must have done the last one on the 14th. Wow. Okay, so here's the 17th, Tuesday, March 17. Stay down, boy, down. Ireland's capital is the fastest growing city. Every year it's Dublin. That's cute. Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 17, and it's just about 8 o'clock in the morning. I am not working today in the shop, but I am going to do an experiment or a follow-up on an experiment. This is the bike formerly known as Limey. We've been fighting wet sumping on this thing forever. Gone through the timing cover and the AMR mod at least 3 times. Last week I decided maybe it's leaking down into this fitting here and maybe going across from the goes down to the goes up when it's not running, in which case the goes down would go over to the goes up and maybe go down into the sump. Grasping at straws here, guys. Well, I took it off and found there was a gasket. There was no gasket on the goes down or goes up fitting here. So I put a gasket on it. And then I ran the bike, I don't know how long, 15 minutes or so, let it sit. And then later that day, which was about 3 days ago, I dumped the sump. And I got out of the sump 12 ounces. 12 ounces of oil out of the sump. So I have declared that 1972 Nortons maintain a normal 12 ounces of oil in the sump. And if anybody has ever measured their dump oil and gotten different results, I'd love to know. Everybody I've talked to has always said, well, yeah, I've dumped the sump many times, but I've never measured it, Frank. That's silly. Well, I'm starting to measure it. So on a 1972 Norton, I am now saying that 12 ounces in the sump is the norm. And I'm going to keep saying that until I've done it 2 or 3 times with different 750s and come up with anything different than this result. All right, so that's where we are. Then after doing that, I put the plug back in the sump, and the bike has sat there for about 3 days or more. I don't remember when I did this. I should have dated that. But now I'm going to pull the plug out of the sump and see if anything has leaked down into the sump while the bike has been sitting. Okay? And I'm going to let you watch. And that's where we are. I grind down the face. I don't need the assistance of the slope. It just takes away grabbing power. All right. Me. This looks to be about 2 or 3 ounces that has drained down into the sump. I'll measure it. In 3 days. So we're going to repeat this. It's empty now. Everybody's seen it. I'll be back as soon as I get the opportunity. Right now, I'm spending my time doing my yearly taxes. Excuse me. in which I have to itemize every single business expense into my QuickBooks because I don't do it during the year. So I get to do it at the end of the year. It takes me about 2 days. And yes, I know I should have one credit card for business and another or more for personal, and I don't. I just mark things personal side of business on the accounting and let my tax lady take care of it for me. She's very good. All right, so let's go measure this. All right, well, there's a little residual oil from before. Okay, so after sitting for 3 or 4 days, okay, so I just did a little bit more accurate reading. It's actually 6.25 ounces on the level surface, and that's 4 days. I'm going to let the bike sit and check it again after a couple of days. So I'm going to call it now. I have to go do paperwork, and that's the way it is.